walking down the road.
What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1985 Monte Carlo SS. This one here's got a 5.0 under the hood. We're gonna be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos pretty much daily. I have wheels, tires, parts, and accessories at maplemotors.com. If you need shipping, we have it. If you need financing, we have that also. It's all on that website. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, getting ready to take off down the road here. Notice it had an AC compressor, but it's not hooked up and working. So we're gonna cut that off. The blower motor was working. Radio's jamming, showing 96,000 miles on the dash. Getting ready to turn back over to 0, I see. Sounds good up under the hood. Do you think the horn works? A little game we like to play on the channel. We also got some speedy windshield wipers. Really nice interior. All around in here. We got to make a pit stop for the car lot. Okay. Let's take off down the road and see how she runs and drives. Okay, so I got my seatbelt on. We're going to take off down the road. Anything I see that's wrong with this car, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Looks like turn signals popping up on the dash. They do work all the way around the car. I checked that in the walk around video. Seems to be shifting out good. It's already shifted twice since we left the lot. Speedometer's coming up. You think that kick down's hooked up? Let's punch it. Oh yeah. Definitely hooked up. What about the brakes? Brakes on this thing feels great. Very tight steering. We're going straight as an arrow down the road. It's like it should be, guys. Feels good. Even though ashtray's still in good shape. I don't think too many people smoked in here. It's just too clean. I don't see any burn holes. Gas gauge is floating around, showing it's working. Okay. Pick up too much dust. They done messed the road up over here. I forgot I was going to try to go to the new spot. I'll tell you what, I may just go ahead and do it. We'll find us a new spot. How about that? I like that better. I'm on an adventure today. Guys, if y'all have any suggestions, y'all want me to try to improve these videos, go ahead and put them below in the comments, and I'll definitely take them in consideration. I do look at all the comments, try to keep up with most of them and answer most of your questions. If I don't, just give us a call. We're all family up there. This car feels great though. Not too many flaws to pick. Motor staying nice and cool, and oil pressure just driving down the road right now is around 40, which is good. It's on the other end of the gauge. want to do is pull up in a parking lot over here, whatever one I choose, I guess. Do some outside shots. I want to get some undercarriage shots. I'm going to light it up with my camera, and we'll head back to the car lot. I've already done the walk around video on this car, so definitely check it out. I'll link it to the last 30 seconds of this video. I'm gonna go find us a parking lot, and we'll get these shots. Look below in the description. You can see all the gear I use to make these videos, and more information about the car lot. All right, so everything's been pretty good so far, other than this little spot used to be pretty secret, and I cannot get any filming done over here anymore, so I really need to find a really good spot to hide from people. I'll go to do like a cool little scene or something, and I had my head, and somebody just cut me off and then throw their hands up. I'm like, oh really? Okay. We were talking about it yesterday. I was thinking about investing in some land around here, but the problem is everything's so expensive. Basically, 1 acre in Hendersonville is like $250,000 or more. I'm trying to figure out like a racetrack or something that we could actually take these cars on and test them. It would be amazing. Wouldn't have no worries. Definitely have some cool shots without interruption. But we can do what we can right now. We'll go ahead and get what we get done. It does describe the car pretty well, so. Hopefully y'all enjoy it anyways. I do like this little park though. This is a Rockland Park right behind the car lot. And it's such a pretty day today. I think that's why everybody's here. And it's a Friday. Yes, I recorded this video ahead of time. And we're right around the corner from the car lot now, so we're getting ready to go over that road that's got the speed bump in it. bother y'all too much. I was trying to keep the glare down from the sun. The visors still look pretty good for their age. This is the one with a speed bump. I'll tell you when it's coming out. It's right beside that white trailer. This suspension is great. It's right here. Nice and smooth, 8 out of 10, all the way. Definitely got a good ride to her. We're coming up on the car lot right here on the right. I don't think I'll get many more cars done today. They want me to run some errands still, but tomorrow I'll work on the new ones, and hopefully I'll have all these done for you before next week. I go out of town the following week, so I want to be ahead and have all my videos done. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Check out maplemotors.com for shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. I'll see y'all on the next one. Later, guys. Hey, hit that subscribe button for daily content. We sell American classic muscle cars. That's what we've been doing for the last 38 years. We're all family here. Right in the heart of Middle Tennessee, about 15 minutes north of Nashville, a little town called Hendersonville. Now, it's not little anymore. Check us out, maplemotors.com. I have financing and shipping available, plus 100 detailed pictures of this car and all of the cars on our lot. We update with new inventory every Monday. And of course, I'll be pumping these videos out for you pretty much daily. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sharing. That helps us out greatly. I'll see y'all later.